New project. Getting ready for the Birds for Beers fundraiser. And let's get into it. Now, usually a lot of artists will come at me and be like, you bought your canvas? Yeah, I'm just not as handy as some. But some make their own. Wouldn't that just be amazing to have my own wood shop so I could do that? But so far, I have my own studio, so I have blessings. All right, we're ready to rumble. It's an 18 by 24. I'm starting out with red ground, so when I get to the plein air painting site at the Kerry Woods Nature Center to do the fundraiser, I'm going to be painting on site during an event, and people are going to be coming by. So I want to get my painting ready in advance, and so I am going to use this red, Namphal red light, and I'm going to add it to some water, creating a wash, and then I'm going to brush it onto my canvas, and that's going to be my ground. I might do 2 coats. So it turns out my bottle was empty almost, but there was a little bit left inside, so I poured the water in there, and now I have to shake for an eternity so I can remove enough of the color from the sides of the bottle. So pray for me. Hey, buddy, I got work to do. I'm in the middle of something. Come on, leave it. Come on. Bandit, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bandit, come on. Bandit, come on. Bandit. Okay, I'm closing the door. Closing the door. Closing the door. Will it make a difference? Stay tuned. We might be here a while. And that's why we have the cardboard. Now I have the overabundance of wash, and I never like to waste, so I'm going to paint another one for future use. Time saving tips from artists who are ADHD.